Welcome to another video. I'm going to show you around my van. I'm testing out the solar panel I just bought. It's kind of big and heavy, but it was pretty cheap, like about $100. 120 watt panel, folding panel, suitcase panel, whatever you want to call it. And I've been working on my van, and I built a platform bed. Let's see underneath here. 8 inches below, so I can stick totes and stuff underneath there. Basically everything. Clothes, my folding table, Sammy's chair, and I got the windows covered. It's reflected on the other side, and I bought some fabric and just, sewed it on. Okay. I bought the mattress. You really can't see it, it's covered with everything. It's a spring mattress I got on Amazon for about $100. It's pretty decent. It's firm, but not too firm. So I'm testing out my inverter that I just installed, which is pretty basic. I don't have it rounded yet, so I'll have to do that later on. But I have the battery right under here. There's my feet. I just should have done my nails. And like you can see in the back, I have my machete and hatchet. And I checked it out, and I'm running a fan, so I don't have to worry about using batteries all the time. This is going to work really nice. And I have enough room here. Let me turn the fan off. I just wanted to show you that. Enough room here. This is my cook stove. Water underneath. And I'm going to get a second one of these 6-gallon jugs to keep underneath here too. This here is just temporary. I have on this side, I have a dresser of drawers that has all my cook stuff in it, and right now I can't pull it out, which is good when I'm driving because I have my solar cases back here. But when I'm stopped, I will have those out of there. In fact, this little one I'm probably not even going to use. Okay, so I'm sitting here on my platform bed, and I wanted to show you that actually I have room for my head. It doesn't touch, it's fine. Even here, if I sat underneath the light, which I probably won't, it's probably like 1.5 inches. So that works out really well for me. Here's my curtains that divide the back of the van from the cab. And I'll show you. I had help with this. I wasn't sure exactly how to do it, so one of my friends helped me. So, he just drilled it. I bought this like plastic pipe, and he just drilled it up through the light fixture. And then it goes all the way across. Attaches over here too. See? Pretty easy, huh? Yeah, because I couldn't figure out how to do it because it's not, I knew that the ceiling's kind of curved, so I couldn't have something straight, so I wanted something flexible. So the plastic tubing was my idea, and then it actually worked out really well. And then I just use Velcro to close it. I also have the windows in the front covered too when I sleep, so there's not too much light that comes in. You can just put Velcro on the sides too. Oh, that's all. See? Pretty basic, pretty easy. It works well. This wall hanging that I have hanging in here, my daughter bought me this in Thailand off a man who was painting it on the street. And there's a signature there too. Isn't it beautiful? And she also got me the prayer beads too. She said, I want to get Mom something for her van. So it works out really nicely. So that's about it. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time.